Listen. Before sunrise touches the city, before forklifts move, before coffee reaches tired hands, there's already a pulse inside the machine. Vacuum pumps, pressure gauges, plasma light, the chamber sealed tighter than secrets. A furnace waiting like a sleeping giant. This is Omni R&D LLC. This is the PECVD furnace. Not just steel, not just wires, not just equipment. This is controlled fire, artificial lightning, chemistry shaped into precision inside the chamber. Gases drift through silence, RF energy awakens, then plasma ignites, blue, electric, alive. Tiny stars trapped inside metal walls, and the atoms begin to dance, layer by layer, atom by atom. Coatings form so thin the eye can barely imagine them. Yet entire industries depend on them. Semiconductors, medical technology, solar power, aerospace, advanced research. People talk about the future like it appears magically, but the future is built in chambers like this, in laboratories, factories, engineering rooms glowing with heat and precision. PECVD, plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition. Even the name sounds futuristic, like technology borrowed from tomorrow. Because inside these furnaces, materials transform. Surfaces strengthen, resistance changes, possibility changes. This is transformation at the molecular level, not hype, not empty motivation, real transformation, measured in microns, validated by science, trusted by industries where failure is not an option. Inside the chamber, there is no room for ego. Physics does not care about followers. Temperature does not care about excuses. Pressure exposes weakness. Precision demands discipline. And still the furnace continues. Steady, controlled, focused, like a machine meditating in fire. There is beauty in industrial things. Most people forget that, but engineers see it. Scientists see it. Builders see it. Because every civilization was shaped by mastering materials. Bronze, iron, steel, silicon. Now plasma joins the story. The battlefield changed, the tools evolved, but the truth stayed the same. Whoever masters materials helps shape the future. Inside the chamber, electrons leap through darkness. Heat bends chemistry into obedience. Thin films emerge like invisible armor, and somewhere a medical device becomes safer. A semiconductor becomes faster. A solar panel becomes more efficient. Most people will never know the furnace existed. They will use advanced technology every day without ever seeing the plasma that helped create it. That is the quiet power of industrial innovation. Omni R&D understands this. Innovation belongs to the builders, the people willing to solve impossible problems, the people willing to stay late testing one more process, one more ratio, one more design. There is poetry in precision, in calibration, in temperature control, in vacuum integrity. There is poetry in knowing one mistake can ruin everything. An engineering system strong enough to prevent it. The plasma glows blue, like lightning frozen in time, like humanity reaching beyond limitation. Again, listen closely. The furnace is speaking, not with words, with heat, with chemistry, with process. It says humanity advanced because somebody kept building, because somebody refused to stop experimenting, because somebody believed tomorrow could be engineered. That is the spirit inside the machine. Omni R&D LLC, not just building furnaces, building possibility, because every era has its sacred fire. And this era burns in plasma. So when the chamber seals and the vacuum deepens and artificial lightning ignites, remember this. You are not just watching a machine. You are watching humanity continue its oldest ritual, taking raw matter, applying fire, and creating the future. Because somewhere tonight, inside a laboratory filled with humming pumps and glowing chambers, a young engineer is watching plasma dance for the first time. And maybe they don't realize it yet, but they're staring directly into the future. Not the future from movies, not flying cars, not fantasy. The real future. The future built by pressure, by precision, by equations written on whiteboards stained with marker ink and late nights. The future built by people who understand that progress is never loud at first. Sometimes progress sounds like vacuum pumps cycling. Sometimes it sounds like cooling systems humming through steel lines. Sometimes it sounds like silence inside a sealed chamber, right before plasma ignites. And when it ignites, it looks like controlled lightning. Like mankind captured a storm, forced chaos into discipline, and taught energy itself to build. That is what Omni R&D represents. Not shortcuts, not gimmicks, not temporary trends. Real engineering, real manufacturing, real innovation. The kind that survives after headlines disappear, because civilizations are remembered by what they build. The pyramids, the aqueducts, the real roads, the satellites, the semiconductor. Every era leaves behind a fingerprint, and ours, our fingerprint is microscopic, atomic, layered in plasma, one molecule at a time. Invisible to most, but powerful enough to reshape the world. And still the furnace burns, still steady, focused, relentless, as if the machine itself understands the mission to create stronger materials, smarter systems, better technology, a future humanity has not fully imagined yet. Look around the phones, the medical systems, the research labs, the advanced